Bringing the Boston University logo behind your degree creates a statement. It's a great education as well as a great branding. It's well recognized abroad as well as here. And I hear it over and over and over. So it's like, well, you guys went to BU, you must know what you're doing.
The great thing about having an office that is a multi-specialty office where everybody is a BU alumni, I think that we all share that level of commitment to really work very, very hard. So we all set each other up for a very, very high standard of care.
Our practice is filled with BU alumni. We have a common philosophy. Those roots and those seeds were planted a long time ago when we were students and we were learning the importance of interdisciplinary care, integrative treatment. It's just not focusing on the tooth, it's focusing on the whole patient.
What BU strives for is they want to make sure that you are confident going forward. They want to make sure that once you're graduated, once you leave the doors, you are comfortable in any situation that's going to come your way. And they make you strive for excellence so that you're treating your patients as if they are your family members. It's one thing just to be able to preach excellence in dentistry, and it's another thing to be able to, with your own hands, translate that to your patients. And I think BU bridges that gap between both education and clinical better than any other school I've encountered.
The main reason why I decided to go to Boston University was because I was looking into programs for restorative dentistry that would expose me into a lot of clinical cases. And really the program that I chose was the one that offered the most clinical exposure. Extreme high volume of patients, faculty available to you all the time, very focused on multidisciplinary and comprehensive care, lots of experience, so it was wonderful.
The faculty at the school is one of the best faculty in the world. They're very passionate about the profession. They're very passionate and they want to make sure that you're successful in the future. So whether it's didactic or whether it's hands-on learning, I think you get very superior quality education at the dental school. The faculty, they're more like mentors for you, and it's not just for those 4 or 5 years that you're at the dental school, but for a lifetime.
You have this sense of great respect and admiration for them because you know who they were. You have read their names in many publications and articles. But yet they were kind and respectful towards you. They will give you a chance. They will sort of allow you to express yourself. They were also very, very tough when it mattered, in a very good way, in a very positive way. They were strong faculties, so that builds character. I think it builds great ethics as well, so you really understand how big it is, your responsibility as a dentist.
BU wants to offer a sort of family environment, a very, warm, kind, friendly environment to the students. I certainly felt that way when I was there.
BU is an advocate of accepting students from different backgrounds. And being at BU, I got to know a lot more about other people's cultures, backgrounds, values.
My best friends in life, the best people I've known in life are from BU. BU gave me the opportunity to see other cultures. BU gave me the opportunity to experience so many different things in life, get to know so many different people, to kind of find out what I like, who I want to be in life. I learned to be a dentist, but I learned to be me.
The way Boston University gets you to think about the community is through the daily experience at the clinic where you have access to the real people.
From the very beginning when we are at school and we treat patients that they might not have the resources just to go to private practices, you start to understand that you need to start helping people. So you start learning the beauty of that. Once you get out of school, you continue to do that.
because it's not all about the dollars and cents. It's being able to take something that BU has given us and give it back to the community, to treat kids that have never seen a dentist before. And it allows you to put your head to the pillow at night. It makes you feel good about yourself as a person and as a professional.
BU is history in dentistry. It's a school created by creators and innovators, and it's history, it's present, and it's future. It has great people right now. It's an incredible team. You're coming out with a foundation, knowledge, and a degree that is going to be appreciated everywhere in the globe.
You can't put a price on education. You can't. Because sure, I could have saved myself a couple dollars and gone to another school, but I wouldn't be as prepared as I am coming out now. I like being able to go to work on Monday morning knowing that I'm prepared for whatever is going to face me. And that's what you can't put a price tag on.
BU is definitely a pricey school. It is expensive. But I think that the price tag on it is to me right now, it's not something I even think about it twice. I wouldn't be the person that I am today if I didn't have that. I wouldn't have all the potential that I see in my future if I don't have this on my belt.